Role-playing reality, mastering phrasal verbs in context. Hello, English learners and language enthusiasts. Today we're going to dive deep into an interesting and incredibly useful topic: phrasal verbs. Our focus will be on understanding and using phrasal verbs in different settings, both formal and informal, and we'll do this through fun role-play activities. So get ready to practice and perfect your English language skills. Phrasal verbs are a fascinating part of the English language. They are verbs that become uniquely meaningful when combined with one or more prepositions or adverbs. For example, give up means to quit or stop doing something, which is quite different from just give. Understanding these can significantly enhance your English proficiency. Remember, phrasal verbs can completely change their meaning based on the preposition or adverb they're paired with. The use of phrasal verbs can often denote the level of formality in conversation. While they're frequently used in informal or casual speech, some are also suitable for more formal settings. However, using too many phrasal verbs in formal situations can sound too casual, so it's important to know when and where to use them. Key tip: understand the setting and choose your phrasal verbs wisely. Now, let's move on to the exciting part: role-playing. By acting out different scenarios, you can practice and apply phrasal verbs in various contexts. Here are some situations we'll explore. 1. Informal setting. Meeting a friend. Here, you can freely use phrasal verbs like hang out, catch up, or drop by. 2. Formal setting. Job interview. This scenario requires careful selection of phrasal verbs. You can use follow up, come across, and set up, but avoid overly casual phrasal verbs. And there you have it, folks. We've dived into the world of phrasal verbs and explored how to use them in different contexts through role-play activities. Remember to practice using phrasal verbs in different scenarios to get comfortable with them. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video makes your English language journey a bit more interesting and a lot more fun. Keep practicing, and until next time, happy learning!